Affordable dentists near you. Sounds too good to be true, right? What if I told you that saving big on dental care does not mean cutting corners on quality? Dr. Esma, be honest with us. Are low prices always a red flag, or is that just what people assume?
Rasim, that is the biggest myth I hear every single day. Affordable can mean smart pricing, efficient systems, or local expertise, not lower standards. The real question is, how do you tell the difference between a great deal and a risky shortcut?
Exactly. In this episode, we are breaking down the hidden costs, the smart questions to ask, and the insider tips that most clinics will never tell you. Stay with us. By the end, you will know how to protect your smile and your wallet. Let us paint a picture, Dr. Esma. You wake up with a sharp toothache. You search for affordable dentists near you, and suddenly you see prices all over the place. One clinic looks unbelievably cheap, another is double that. You are stressed, in pain, and thinking, is the lower price going to cost me more later?
Exactly, Rasim. I see patients who delayed treatment because they feared high costs. Then the small cavity turned into a root canal. Others rushed into the cheapest option without asking about materials, technology, or follow-up care. Both situations create anxiety and bigger problems.
So the real issue is not just price, it is confusion. People do not know what they are actually paying for, and that uncertainty is what keeps them stuck. Dr. Esma, this is bigger than just saving money, right? We are talking about long-term health. If someone chooses the wrong clinic just because it looks affordable, what can actually go wrong?
Great question, Rasim. Imagine getting a filling with low-quality materials. It may look fine for a few months, but then it fractures. Now you need a crown instead of a simple repair. Or think about poorly planned implants. Without proper imaging and sterilization, complications increase. What seemed affordable at first becomes more expensive and stressful later.
So the real value is durability and safety. Paying smart today can protect your smile for years, and that peace of mind is priceless. Dr. Esma, give us a real-world snapshot. How common is it for people to redo dental work because they chase the lowest price?
More common than most people think, Rasim. In my practice, I often see patients who had fillings or crowns done elsewhere within the last 2 years, and they are already failing. Studies show that poor quality restorations can reduce the lifespan of treatment significantly. I had a patient who chose the cheapest crown option. Within a year it cracked, and we had to replace it properly. The second time, we used better materials and digital measurements, and it fit perfectly.
So one smart decision up front could mean years of comfort instead of repeat appointments and frustration. Alright, Dr. Esma, let us zoom in on the science for a second. When we talk about affordable dentists near you, what actually determines whether a treatment lasts 5 years or 15?
Great question, Rasim. Longevity comes down to 3 core factors: material quality, precise diagnostics, and technique. For example, high-grade composite resins bond differently at a microscopic level, reducing leakage and secondary decay. Digital imaging allows us to measure bite forces and tooth alignment accurately, which prevents uneven pressure that can crack restorations.
So affordable does not mean basic science. It means applying proven technology wisely. And that is where real value lives. Alright, Dr. Esma, let us make this practical. If someone is searching for affordable dentists near them tonight, what exact steps should they follow to make a smart choice?
Step 1, Rasim. Check verified reviews and look for consistency, not just star ratings. Step 2. Call the clinic and ask what materials and technology they use. A confident clinic will answer clearly. Step 3. Request a detailed treatment plan before starting anything. Transparency protects you.
So research, ask smart questions, and demand clarity. That already sounds empowering.
Exactly, Mr. Rasim. Affordable care is about informed decisions, not rushed ones.
Okay, Dr. Esma, let us talk red flags. When someone is hunting for affordable dentists near them, what should instantly make them pause?
First, Rasim, be cautious of extremely low offers with no clear explanation. If a clinic cannot describe what is included, that is a concern. Second, avoid rushing into treatment on the first visit without diagnostics. Proper exams and imaging are not optional. Third, do not ignore hygiene standards. A clean, organized clinic reflects professional care.
So do ask questions, do compare plans, and do trust your instincts. But do not chase a deal so hard that you forget your health comes first.